In Assessment 2, we attempted to composite and create creative design pieces that would persuade and excite audience towards Home by Toni Morrison through mixed mediums for the zine, poster, and book cover. The novel centers around a powerful concept of sexism, racism, segregation, and redemption. All difficult to visually portray, we focused on the emotional effect that resonated within us, taking a more ambiguous approach with the image production. Aligning with the author's intended audience is important. Cautious of this, we fine-tuned designs to the older generations, 50+, who are interested in African American literature. Research and concept. We used a combination of divergent and convergent thinking, divergent to develop creative direction, convergent to problem solve and execute desired looks of such use of textural elements through laser cutting and fabric collage to enhance our minimalistic designs. The font Trump Medieval was used in the book for its contemporary design, significant around the time of the book's setting. Due to Toni Morrison's purposeful choice of font, we felt it was necessary to carry this through in our designs, utilizing it as a foundation for the typeface across all applications. Slight variance applied to the title, combining the peach tree roots, a significant landmark relating to home, to the base of the lettering. The protagonist, Frank, is fairly misunderstood, complex, and ambiguous. Setting after the war, we chose a rough, muted, but simple aesthetic to best reflect on these themes, using rough hand drawings of key events to trigger sentimentality and give a sense of intimacy, adding softness and harsh events depicted from the zine. Particular lack of detail in the faces to avoid distraction from the larger themes. Looking for more intimate avenues to storytelling, we were inspired by artists Jeannie Baker and Al Loving, both known for collage constructions and effectively communicate, engage, and evoke emotion. Applying their techniques combined with photography to illustrate key moments from the book. Layering fabrics Frank would have worn to shape the grass to illustrate his journey. To make it appropriate for commercial scalable use, photos were then taken with a direct side life printing and create further depth. We found this to be a more interesting way of storytelling that is alluring but doesn't spoil anything for the audience. Color theory. Utilizing the same materials, the color palette, and mediums across the zine, book cover, and poster to ensure it worked cohesively. Prototype. All prototypes went well. Would consider using laser cutting to create a book sleeve to allow audiences to get a greater sense of texture and hand illustration in the book cover and poster to improve cohesiveness with the zine. The task allocation. Brooke did digital coloring across the zine, poster, and book cover, as well as the video creation. Trudie did the book end pages, zine illustrations / textures, and the poster. Matt did the 3D book cover, zine formatting, typeface across book cover, zine, and poster. And Chloe did illustration for zine, book cover, and photography of textures.